know, if you're looking to cook up something great for Mom, our friends from Bush is here this morning. Mother's Day. Rebecca is here. How are you?
I'm great. How are you doing?
Nice to see you.
Yeah, happy to be here.
They always say real men can't eat quiche. I say it's eggs and cheese and pie crust. I say we can.
Yeah, slap some bacon on there.
Yeah.
It's all good. So what we have here, these are, they're mini quiches.
Okay.
And the reason that I like these is because they're easy for kids to make.
Okay.
Okay, or help. I mean, you need a little bit of
They're
adult
easy for
assistance.
adults to make.
Well, yeah, but I mean, they're really great for kids because a little bit of adult assistance and you've got a nice little dish for Mom.
Okay.
So we've started by using some of these adorable little canning jars.
Okay.
And you can use any kind of, oven-proof dish, but these canning jars are perfectly fine and they're adorable. And then
safe for the oven.
Safe for the oven, absolutely. And so we just put a little bit of breadcrumbs in there, some dry breadcrumbs, just to make a little bit of a crust in there.
Okay.
Now we're going to take some eggs and a little bit of half and half. And we're just going to kind of make a little quiche base here. Throw in our salt and pepper.
Is it the half and half that makes it more of a quiche?
Yeah, there's usually some sort of a rich dairy product in there. So you could substitute milk, but, it's not.
No, make it a rich dairy product. I'm fine with that.
It's not going to be the same. So we're just going to whisk those eggs in there. Beat them up there really good so they're going to be combined so you're not going to have separation when they're baking.
Okay.
And we're going to throw in some fresh herbs. So we're going to throw in some basil and some chives. And now you're ready to kind of build your quiches. So we've sauteed some onions here. And we also have some other vegetables. And you can make these, I mean, even though you're using a rich dairy product, you can make them kind of healthy.
Okay.
Because you can just load them up with the vegetables. So what you're just going to do is just kind of take your, you want to help?
Yeah, what do you want me to do?
The tongs, you got your bacon there if you want bacon. You've got sun-dried tomatoes, you've got asparagus, you've got spinach.
So you're putting all this stuff in first?
Yeah, you're putting it in first because then you can just kind of layer it in there.
Okay.
And then you just pour your quiche mix, your eggs and your cream stuff over the top of that. And it's really simple. Again, kids can do this. Kids can add the ingredients. Kids can do all these things.
Anything else or no?
Oh, let's do some asparagus. Asparagus is in season.
What's this here? This is
sun-dried tomatoes. So you got your sun-dried tomatoes, and we're making a mess, but that's okay. It's all part of the experience.
Well, right.
Okay, and then we've got some spinach, so we can put some spinach in some of it there.
When do you do the cheese?
The cheese goes last.
Okay.
So we've got feta, we've got Gruyere, and we also have Parmesan.
All three, please.
All three. There you go. So let's do some cheese in there, and then we can pour our eggs in. So here, let's get some feta.
Okay.
Right in there.
A little cheese.
Yep, perfect.
Feta too?
Yeah, some feta. Why not?
I feel not leaving enough room for the egg.
Oh, it's good. Don't worry. There's plenty of room for the egg. And besides, again, the egg is very rich, and so the more... Again, kids in the kitchen, folks.
Listen.
Perfect for kids. Okay.
Can I keep... come on, let's have fun.
All right, let's do it. Do it up.
We can do whatever we want.
This is a mess.
All right.
If this were my kitchen,
it's going to be great.
Okay.
I love it.
All right, so we're
If it was your kitchen, what?
I would be very neurotic about it. Okay.
Come on. This isn't your kitchen and you're neurotic about it.
Well, I know. I'm a chef. What can I say?
I love it.
Okay, so we're going to just pour our egg mixture in there. And those are going to go in the oven. And they're going to bake really for about 15-20 minutes, depending on the size. Oops, I missed one. If you wanted to use a bigger... So these are kind of individual size. If you wanted to use bigger jars, you could use these bigger jars and make them a little bit bigger.
Because it's like a shot of quiche.
It is. It really is. It's a bite. But the cool thing about these is that you can just take your lid, and you can pop your lids on like this and put them in a picnic basket, take them on a picnic, refrigerate them for a few days, eat them for lunch. So they're great.
Good day for that.
Would you heat it up?
I would heat it up for about a minute in the microwave. Now, these are a little bit at the room temperature side. You could serve them at room temperature or when they're warm. But, they're pretty simple and little bite-sized quiches. So, wonderful for the kids.
I love it.
Yeah.
You a quiche fan?
And we've got a nice salad with them, too. We brought bacon, too, so you could serve them with bacon.
I heard the bacon is delicious.
Excellent,
yeah. It's out in the hallway. We've been out there. All right, so listen, the recipe's up at myfoxdetroit.com.
Yes.
And you're always over at Bush's, aren't you?
I am, yes. And right now we've got, speaking of children, we've got this great kid dish here, but we also have a food drive, our All About Children food drive right now.
Okay.
Helping children in need this week until the 14th of May. So it's a great opportunity to give.
That's great.
I love Bush's because it's so local.
Yeah, we do. We do a lot of local vegetables. We're coming into the season right now. So we've got asparagus. We're going to be having our Michigan asparagus coming in, Michigan rhubarb. All the great seasonal ingredients are coming in right now. So great opportunity to get in and enjoy spring.
All right, very good. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Nice seeing you.